Hi friends, I'm Alona and today I'm going to teach you how to make this pretty Art Deco weave. So essentially what we're going to do is there. So let's pretend these are wires and give me a Sharpie. And we go 1, 2, 3. 2 wires, 3 wires, then we'll go these 3 wires, and then we'll go down mirroring what we've already done. Yeah, let's get going. Okay, so you secure your weaving wire as always. And now we're gonna start the weave. So I go up twice over 2 bottom wires. Then I go twice over the 3 wires. And now you have an option. You can either go over all wires, but it doesn't look as nice in the end. So what I do is I go like in between, see the bottom and the second one, and go like over the top 3 wires. And now I just go down the same way, like I went up. So I go 3, and I go 2, and then I go 1, 3 times over the bottom one. See, with this weave especially, it's very important not to squeeze your wires too tight, because then it doesn't want to go in between. But this is aluminium, which is stupidly soft, so it's very hard to keep it straight. Yeah, and then I'm gonna continue. So I'll just go over 2. I'll go over 3. Then I'm gonna come in between the 2 bottom wires and wrap over these 3. Go down and just go downward. And then 3 times over the bottom. So why I like to make this little gap here is when you squeeze it, it comes like neatly together. So it's a very nice and smooth pattern. But if you have an extra like wrap going here, it can look wonky. Well, you can try and see. Yeah, and basically I'm gonna continue doing that for as long as I need. Again, make sure you're not tugging on anything, you're not squeezing them too tight. Like what you can do is a neat thing is like, see, slightly fan them out on the ends, not a lot, but just enough to you know, have space to weave. Yeah, that's what it is. I hope you found this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions or if you want another weave tutorial. Thank you, bye!